Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM. In this video, we're going to see the function of fill holes in geodesic machining. So I have got a geodesic machining toolpath here, and let's calculate this toolpath as it would appear in the previous version. In the previous version of SolidCAM, if there were holes on the surface or on the part, it would create some kind of a spiraling toolpath around that particular hole, which would create a lot of retracts. This, however, has been fixed in the new version of SolidCAM. It's been improved in SolidCAM, and now we can identify the holes much better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the previous toolpath, and we are going to use a function called fill holes in the surfacing function or surface function of the toolpath. So I'll go into the advanced function, click on fill holes, select OK, and let's calculate the toolpath. Okay, the toolpath has been calculated. Let's look at the toolpath, how it looks like in 2023. The toolpath in 2023 looks much more better, as it doesn't keep the holes. It has filled the holes, and it is transitioning on the hole much better now rather than going around the hole. The toolpath now has much smoother entry and exits. Thank you very much for watching.